Today we are talking about the government schemes that are genuinely game changing for the businesses. Okay, CGTMSC and CGSS, and I promise that I will try to keep it as interesting as possible and simple as possible. Okay. Uh, Now हम सब समझते हैं that funding is a big headache, right? Especially when the banks ask for collateral before giving you a single rupee. That means that they want you to be rich even before giving you the money. I mean, how is that possible? And this is the irony that most of the entrepreneurs face. कि आप बैंक कहती है कि बॉस आप पैसे लाए, पैसे को देख के हम आपको पैसा देंगे, जो कि हो नहीं सकता. नाउ ये जो दो स्कीम जिसके बारे में आज हम बात कर रहे हैं, these two schemes are very unlikely other products. So with these two schemes, you do not have to give any collateral. Okay. Now, आज हम बिल्कुल सीधी बात करेंगे and इस तरीके से बात करेंगे ताकि सबको समझ में आए. And joining me today for this conversation are two brilliant speakers, Chartered Accountant Sharik and Chartered Accountant Dipanshi. दोनों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है.
Thank you so much, Sumanji. I am very happy to be here, and I promise you कि ये सेशन बिल्कुल भी बोरिंग नहीं होगा, जैसे टैक्सेशन और ऑडिटिंग की तरह.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Such में, this is my favorite topic. I have seen these schemes genuinely help clients who thought funding was out of reach.
Excellent. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's start with the basics first. So Sharik, the first question. What exactly is CGTMSE and why was it introduced? ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है ताकि हम समझ सके that what is the product and how exactly do we take the product ahead. Sharik?
Yes. I am on mute now, na? So CGTMSE stand for Credit Guarantee Fund, Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises. नाम थोड़ा बड़ा है लेकिन काम सीधा है. सोचो, एक छोटा बिजनेस ओनर बैंक जाता है और कहता है मुझे लोन चाहिए. द बैंक फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डू यू हैव कोलेटरल, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द स्मॉल बिजनेसेस द ऑनेस्ट आंसर इज भाई हम तो खुद स्ट्रगल में हैं, सो कोलेटरल कहाँ से लाएंगे. सो हेयर द CGTMSE स्टेप्स इन एंड टेल्स द बैंक फिक्र मत करो, अगर कुछ हो गया तो लाइक हम कवर कर लेंगे. द सेंट्रल बैंक प्रोवाइड्स द गारंटी अंडर CGTMSE स्कीम्स विच प्रोटेक्ट द बैंक फ्रॉम द रिस्क. ये बेसिकली गवर्नमेंट का को साइन है आपके लोन पे. एंड ऑनेस्टली द लाइक देयर इज नो बेटर को साइनर इन द कंट्री देन द लाइक गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया.
हाँ, ये तो बिल्कुल सही बात बोला आपने शारिक. And people, I mean, so who are not very familiar, who are not familiar with the language, Sharik just mentioned that, I mean, if you need a loan in which no collaterals are required, I mean, these two are the best, schemes of the government where you can look at, and the government is basically the co-signer along with you. Okay. Now, obviously, Sharik, आपने जो बात आई, गवर्नमेंट से बड़ा को-साइनर कौन होगा? सही बात है. That analogy is going to stick with everyone out here. बहुत अच्छा समझाया. Now, Dipanshi, tell us about CGSS. And how is this different from CGTMSE? कैसे अलग है ये आपके CGTMSE से?
Sure, sir. So CGSS stands for Credit Guarantee Scheme for Startups. और नाम में जवाब छुपा है, ये only startups के लिए है. While CGTMSE is for the traditional MSMEs, CGSS is specifically for DPIIT recognized startups. ये बेसिकली वो बिजनेसेस हैं जो शायद अभी प्रॉफिटेबल नहीं है, उनके पास अभी एसेट्स भी नहीं है, लेकिन उनके पास कुछ और है. एंड दैट थिंग इज अ जबरदस्त आइडिया और ग्रो करने का पोटेंशियल. एंड अगर हम सिंपल लैंग्वेज में इसको बोलें तो CGTMSE इज फॉर नॉर्मल बिजनेसेस एंड CGSS इज फॉर इनोवेटिव बिजनेस आइडियाज.
Fantastic, Dipanshi. I mean, so you just summed it up, okay? And so अगर मैं ठेठ भाषा में बोलूं, right? I mean, something like कि पक्की दुकान वाला वर्सेस गराज में बैठा हुआ दुनिया बदलने वाला, इनके लिए ये सब कुछ बना हुआ है, right? I mean, so दोनों कैटेगरी, we are catering to both the categories. Somebody who's sitting in a garage is a founder, and somebody who's actually an established business person. So we are catering. These two schemes will cater to both the segments. So that's brilliant and a very well thought out thing from the government. तो शारिक आपसे सीधा पूछता हूं कि CGTMSE is basically for the traditional business type?
Yes, बिल्कुल सही सर. CGTMSE is ideally for manufacturers who is manufacturing anything, traders and retailers, service providers. So all these sectors are covered under these schemes.
Great. I mean, sums it up. Simple है. It sums it up. So it is really quite wide in its scope, right? I mean, manufacturers से लेके traders तक सब आ
Right, sir.
जाते हैं इसके दायरे में. Good. Dipanshi, CGSS is for the नए जमाने के startups. Is that meant for the new world startups and everything?
Exactly. CGSS is designed for businesses with scalable and innovative business models. We can say like software and AI startups, fintech platforms, D2C brands, health tech, ed tech, EV startups. इन businesses के पास जनरली फैक्ट्री नहीं होती, लैंड नहीं होती, लेकिन इनके पास इनोवेशन होता है, ट्रैक्शन होती है. एंड यूजुअली CGSS recognizes that. सोच बदलनी पड़ेगी, एसेट्स नहीं. तो पोटेंशियल देखो.
बहुत बढ़िया. सच में मतलब ये पर्सपेक्टिव शिफ्ट बहुत जरूरी है. And we have to start thinking in a different way. And that's what the government has done. We are talking about potential over assets. बहुत अच्छी बात दिपांशी. अब वो सवाल जो सबके मन में है, okay? How much can you actually borrow? And how much does the government cover? Sharik, let's start with the CGTMSE. If you can answer these two questions, please.
So under CGTMSE scheme, eligible MSMEs can get collateral-free loan up to 10 crores. ये टर्म लोन भी हो सकता है, वर्किंग कैपिटल भी हो सकता है, या फिर कंपोजिट हो सकता है, लाइक मिक्स
Okay.
ऑफ टर्म लोन एंड वर्किंग कैपिटल.
Got it.
डिपेंड्स ऑन द नीड्स ऑफ लाइक इंडिविजुअल बिजनेस. लेकिन एक चीज क्लियर कर दूं यहाँ पर, ये स्कीम लोन गारंटी है, कोई चेकबुक नहीं. बैंक स्टिल इवैल्यूएट योर बिजनेस एंड योर प्रपोजल.
या बहुत खूब शारिक, बहुत खूब. The scheme guarantee देती है, दिमाग नहीं. So what
राइट.
means is even if there's a guarantee, the guarantee is given by the government to the bank. It is
राइट.
not a
राइट.
guarantee for you to get the loan. सही बात है. I mean, so plan आपको खुद ही बनाना पड़ेगा. And this is a very, very important reminder. और गारंटी का परसेंटेज वैसे क्या होता है? What exactly is the guarantee percentage that the government gives, Sharik?
So the guarantee covers ranges from 75 to 85% of the loan amount. Like
Okay.
75% for the regular borrowers, 80% for the women entrepreneurs and 85 for the micro enterprises. मतलब अगर बोरोवर डिफॉल्ट करे तो बैंक का ज्यादा लॉस कवर हो जाता है. इसलिए बैंक को बिना कोलेटरल के भी कंफर्ट फील लाइक दे फील कंफर्ट फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग लोन्स. सो इट इज जेन्युइनली स्मार्टली डिजाइंड स्कीम फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू.
बहुत बढ़िया, Sharik. So, I mean, the last point of Sharik, just repeating it in the same thing in English, is that the government is basically it's a guarantor for in taking the loss, okay? It doesn't mean that it is going to make sure that आपको लोन मिल ही जाएगा.
राइट.
ग्रेट. और खुशी की बात है, देखिए इसमें शारिक आपने जो बताया ना कि इसमें आपके वुमेन एंड एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए भी एक्स्ट्रा कवरेज दिया गया है. सो ये
यस
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डिटेल है. बहुत अच्छी बात है. So anybody who's sitting in this webinar right now is a lady. Please understand whether you or any of your potential clients who are there, if they want to take a loan under these, so your will be getting a little more guarantee from the government. Okay, not that you more money, but the government take a little more risk. CGSS में कितना फंड मिल सकता है स्टार्टअप्स को?
So under CGSS, startups can receive funding support of up to 20 crores and that is per borrower. ये नंबर थोड़ा सिग्निफिकेंट है और ये रिफ्लेक्ट करता है कि स्टार्टअप्स की जरूरत भी बड़ी होती है. The guarantee structure is for loans up to 10 crore, the guarantee cover is up to 85%. And the loans for more than 10 crore, the guarantee cover is 75%. इसका मतलब बेसिकली ये है कि बैंक्स, एनबीएफसी और फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस अब स्टार्टअप को फंड करने में थोड़ा ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल है क्योंकि उनका डाउनसाइड प्रोटेक्ट हो रहा है.
20 crores. 20 crores is a lot of money. ये तो बात ही अलग है. I mean, fantastic. और गारंटी स्ट्रक्चर भी काफी स्ट्रांग है। दीपांशी, बहुत क्लियरली आपने ये समझा दिया। अब वो सवाल है जो कि every entrepreneur, the moment they step into the bank premises, they always need to ask this simple question: do I need to give more collateral? क्या मुझे कोई भी चीज गिरवी रखना पड़ेगा? ये वो सवाल है, जब भी हम पहला कदम किसी बैंक में रखते हैं तो हमारे को ये अपनी दिमाग में आता है, हमें पूछना पड़ता है। शारिक, सीजीटीएमएससी में क्या होता है प्रैक्टिकली, बताएंगे एक बार?
Yeah, sir. So basically, in principle, CGTMSC loans are collateral free, totally
ओके।
collateral free. But because government की गारंटी होती है इसमें, तो बैंक like, sir, could you please like repeat the question?
सो शारिक, माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट कि क्या मैं ये बोल रहा था कि देखिए,
Like
ऑन्टरप्रनोर्स जब भी
CGTMSC
कोई
from
बैंक जाते हैं ना,
हाँ,
उनको यही मन में रखता है कि हमें क्या गिरवी रखना है, राइट? या
अच्छा,
बैंक पूछते हैं आप क्या गिरवी रखोगे, ठीक है?
got it,
तो
got it.
सीजीटीएमएससी में क्या होता है प्रैक्टिकली, आप ये पूछ रहे हैं हम आपसे?
अच्छा, ओके ओके। सो सर, इन प्रिंसिपल सीजीटीएमएससी लोन्स आर कोलेटरल फ्री। गवर्नमेंट
ओके।
की गारंटी है, तो बैंक को कुछ सिक्योरिटी लेना तो नहीं चाहिए इस केस में। लेकिन प्रैक्टिकली वी सी, सो कुछ बैंक्स फिर भी थोड़ा कंफर्ट मांगते हैं। लाइक बेसिकली दे आस्क सम अमाउंट ऑफ सिक्योरिटीज फॉर द लाइक लोन अमाउंट। बेसिकली इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ बिजनेस, लोन अमाउंट एंड प्रमोटर्स होल्डिंग एक्सेट्रा।
Oh, great, great. Shukriya, Sharik. I mean, I think it's a very, very important point, because Sharik just mentioned, while the government says that you are not supposed to be taking any collateral, okay, but the banks have put in their own checks in places, so they may not be giving you the total amount without putting in some collateral. And they have put it in such a manner that you may have to give it, you can't fight it. And if you go to a different bank, there will be some criteria out there. If you go to a third bank, there will be some other criteria out there. So while the ideal situation is that you do not require collateral, but after a certain amount, under these two schemes also, hybrid is extremely, extremely important. So that is what is there. Now, Dipanshi, CGSS में भी collateral का क्या सीन होता है, एक बार बताएंगे जरा आप?
तो सर सीजीएसएस आल्सो सपोर्ट्स कोलेटरल फ्री और लो कोलेटरल लेंडिंग, लेकिन स्टार्टअप्स लेंडिंग का एंगल थोड़ा सा अलग होता है। इट्स
Okay.
मोर अबाउट व्हाट यू आर बिल्डिंग एंड लेस अबाउट व्हाट यू ओन। सो लेंडर्स अंडर सीजीएसएस जनरली इवैल्यूएट करते हैं कुछ की पॉइंटर्स, जैसे नंबर 1 बिजनेस मॉडल कितना स्केलेबल है, एंड फ्यूचर ग्रोथ का ट्रेजेक्टरी कैसा है, इन्वेस्टर्स का बैकिंग है या नहीं बिजनेस में, कैश फ्लो प्रोजेक्शंस कैसे हैं, इनोवेशन पोटेंशियल कितना है। तो अगर आपने अपना सब कुछ प्रोडक्ट में लगा दिया एंड अभी तक फिक्स एसेट्स नहीं लिए, तो भी सीजीएसएस वाले लोग आपको समझेंगे, एंड दैट्स अ बेसिक रिलीफ दैट एवरी फाउंडर नीड।
या फैंटास्टिक, आई थिंक एकदम सही कहा दीपांशी। ये बहुत बड़ी राहत है फाउंडर्स के लिए। एंड वट एवर दीपांशी पुट अक्रॉस राइट नाउ, जेंटलमैन, लेडीज, is something that this has become an exception. And as an exception, what they're doing is they're not looking at what you have done in the past, what you're going to do. Does your idea have the potential of the future? Is what exactly is the government encouraging the banks to look, by taking the risk off the shoulder of the banks to the extent of 75 to 85 odd percent. Okay, let us now talk about the eligibility. Okay, आप देखते हैं कि आप एलिजिबल कैसे होते हो इन सब चीज को करने के लिए। एंड ये चीज को काफी लोग ना इग्नोर कर देते हैं, एंड बाद में फिर वो पछताते हैं। शारिक, सीजीटी एमएससी के लिए कौन अप्लाई कर सकता है, बताएंगे एक बार? हु ऑल कैन अप्लाई फॉर सीजीटी एमएससी केसेस?
सो सर, अच्छी चीज ये है कि एनी एंटिटी, वेदर इट इज प्रोप्राइटरशिप फर्म, पार्टनरशिप फर्म, एलएलपी और प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी, नई हो या पुरानी, दोनों तरह की एंटिटीज अप्लाई कर सकती हैं इस स्कीम के अंदर।
ओके।
सेकेंडली, द कंडीशन, लाइक there are like certain conditions, like your business should be financially viable and you should not have any existing loan defaults, like your CIBIL criteria should be like good.
अच्छा, तो ये मतलब किसी भी किस्म के एमएसएमई को कवर करती है, नई हो या पुरानी हो। इट्स अ न्यू
Right, sir.
एमएसएमई और ओल्ड एमएसएमई, आई मीन इट अप्लाइज टू एवरीबॉडी, राइट?
Right.
ग्रेट मैन, दिस इज वेरी इंक्लूसिव, बहुत अच्छा इंक्लूसिव चीज बनाया हुआ है। तो दीपांशी, आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा कि आई मीन सीजीएसएस के लिए कौन सा कंडीशन होता है ऐसे?
So for CGSS, the single most critical condition is DPIIT recognition. ये
Okay,
बेसिकली
okay,
टिकट है, बिना इसके एंट्री नहीं मिलेगी। उसके बाद चाहिए
right.
जेन्युइन बिजनेस मॉडल, सही डॉक्यूमेंटेशन और एक बिलीवेबल रिपेमेंट प्लान। एंड द एनकरेजिंग पार्ट इज प्रॉफिट्स नहीं है तो भी कोई बात नहीं, अगर ग्रोथ पोटेंशियल स्ट्रांग है तो क्वालिफाई हो सकता है। बैंक्स आर बीइंग आस्क्ड टू लुक फॉरवर्ड एंड नॉट जस्ट बैकवर्ड। तो ये सोचने का बेसिकली गवर्नमेंट का भी एक नया अंदाज है। तो every business with TPIT recognition can go for it.
Excellent, excellent. So, guys, I mean, so everybody is, I mean, I hope everybody's noted that you have to be registered with DPIIT. I mean, that is the basic threshold criteria of jumping that side. And after that, I mean, so the government is basically, like I told you before, also, the government is encouraging the banks to not look at what exactly has happened till now. They are encouraging the banks in their own ways to make sure they look at the idea, they look at the potential of the founders, they look at the potential of the plan, and then move ahead. Sharik, I want to ask you something. What are the most common mistakes that CGTMSE applications get rejected for?
तो सर यहाँ पर ना मैं एक थोड़ी गलत फहमी दूर करना चाहता हूँ। बहुत सारे
Okay,
लोग सोचते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट गारंटी है तो लोन तो पक्का ही मिल जाएगा, बट एब्सोल्युटली
right.
नहीं। बैंक स्टिल डू एनालिसिस। कॉमन रिजेक्शन रीजंस आर लाइक वीक प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट, पुअर
Okay,
फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग, रीपेमेंट कैसे
okay,
करोगे ये क्लियरली दिखाना पड़ेगा, लाइक इन योर फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग। लो रीपेमेंट कैपेसिटी ऑफ द बिजनेस, अनदर वन इज लाइक वाइड क्रेडिट हिस्ट्री, सिबिल स्कोर भी मैटर
okay.
करता है इस चीज में। And
Got it.
incomplete documentation, you have to submit complete documentation to the bank. So these were the few reasons, your case has been got rejected.
Understood. Excellent. Great, Sharik. So this is an important point for everyone, guys. Please note that the guarantee, it does not mean automatic approval. गारंटी का मतलब ऑटोमेटिक अप्रूवल नहीं है। बहुत लोग यही गलती करते हैं, सोचते हैं कि बॉस बैंक जाएंगे पैसे मिल जाएंगे, नहीं हो सकता ये। So thank you for busting the myth so clearly, Sharik. Dipanshi, startup वाले CGSS में क्या mistakes करते हैं? I mean, the mistakes that are committed by the CGSS people when they are applying for loan?
तो सब बेसिकली स्टार्टअप्स को ना अपने आइडिया से प्यार होता है और होना भी चाहिए, लेकिन बैंक को
सही
सिर्फ
बात।
प्यार से काम नहीं चलता। सो देयर आर सम कॉमन गैप्स इन बिजनेसेस, लाइक अनक्लियर रेवेन्यू मॉडल, मोनेटाइजेशन बाद में सोचेंगे, ये लेंडर्स के लिए रेड फ्लैग होता है। पुअर यूनिट इकोनॉमिक्स, नंबर्स काम नहीं करते तो लोन भी नहीं करेंगे। अप्लायंसेस, जीएसटी, आरओसी, इनकम टैक्स सब ठीक होना चाहिए। नो प्रॉपर
Okay.
फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स, सबसे जरूरी चीज ये दिखाओ कि डेट रीपे कैसे करोगे। लेंडर्स आर नॉट इन्वेस्टर्स, वो आपके साथ प्रॉफिट शेयर नहीं करते, उन्हें बस अपना पैसा वापस चाहिए एंड वो भी टाइम पे।
बिल्कुल सही बात है। आई मीन एब्सोल्युटली, आई मीन सो समड इट अप। बैंक्स के लिए प्यार से काम नहीं चलता। दैट मींस, आई मीन सो द you may be in love with your idea, right? The bank will not be in love with your idea. They want to look at your repaying capacity, they want to look at the potential of the idea. So all these things matter. मायने रखता है, सही बात है। एंड जो भी आप लोग वेबिनार देख रहे हैं, राइट, अब आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि अब मैं क्या करूं। शारिक, कोई प्रैक्टिकल एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे जो हमारे साथ वेबिनार में आज बैठे हुए हैं, इतने दूर दूर से लोग आए हैं, क्या आप इनको कोई प्रैक्टिकल एडवाइस देना चाहते हैं? आई मीन सीजीटीएमएससी के बारे में।
So sir, my practical advice would be like, पहली बात तो सर बैंक जाने से पहले अपना फाइनेंशियल सेटअप स्ट्रॉन्ग करें। दैट मीन्स
ओके,
सही और अपडेटेड फाइनेंशियल रिकॉर्ड्स रखें, अपनी लाइक बुक्स अप टू डेट रखें, और प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट किसी प्रोफेशनल से ही बनवाएं। लाइक मोस्टली लाइक पीपल्स लाइक मेक देयर प्रोजेक्शंस बाय देयर ओन एंड डू लाइक लिटिल बिट मिस्टेक्स, सो अप्रूवल ये their proposal get rejected. And third one
ओके,
is credit score improve करें if required. Like, and last but not the least, जीएसटी, टीडीएस एंड अदर कंप्लायंसेस को टाइमली कंप्लाई करते रहें। एक स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रपोजल सिर्फ आपके अप्रूव होने के चांसेस ही नहीं बढ़ाता, लेकिन बेटर इंटरेस्ट रेट भी दिलवाता है आपको।
ओ,
और आज, हाँ हाँ जी सर, और आजकल सर लाइक बैंक्स भी लाइक अच्छे बोरोवर के लाइक कोई अच्छा बोरोवर है तो लाइक बैंकर्स आर आल्सो रेडी टू compete, like they give better interest rate, better tenure, so banks are also ready to compete for the like good proposal.
fantastic, man. I mean, Sharik, I mean, a very, very strong point and a very valid point. So if you have a good rating, okay, So if you have a good rating, the rate that you get from the bank also becomes a little lower for you. Please understand that not only the chances increase, you are not only enhancing your own chances, but even the rates that you get will be better rates. And in fact, what Sharik just mentioned is that the banks will compete against each other to give you a better rate. Now, that is absolutely brilliant. And there's something more entrepreneurs don't realize. बहुत practical advice था शारिक ये. दीपांशी, startups के लिए क्या होता है बताएंगे एक बार जरा.
So for startups, for only startup founders, specifically DPIT recognition तो ले ही लो. ये फ्री है और काफी कुछ अनलॉक करता है. सेकेंड,
Okay.
कंप्लायंसेस मेंटेन करो, ROC, GST, इनकम टैक्स, सब कुछ. एंड स्केलेबल बिजनेस मॉडल बनाओ और उसको डॉक्यूमेंट भी करो. मार्केट
Okay.
ट्रैक्शन दिखाओ. छोटे नंबर्स भी मैटर करते हैं बिजनेस में. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात तो ये होगी कि डेट लेने से पहले ऑनेस्टली सोचो, डज योर बिजनेस एक्चुअली नीड डेट राइट नाउ और यू शुड बी रेजिंग इक्विटी. डेट की रीपेमेंट ऑब्लिगेशन होती है. मींस अच्छे दिन हो या बुरे दिन हो, यू हैव टू पे द EMI. इसलिए फंड स्ट्रक्चर, फंड मिक्स एंड टाइमिंग आपका एकदम सही होना चाहिए फॉर डेट एंड इक्विटी.
Absolutely gold, Dipanshi. Absolutely gold. I mean, debt versus equity. This is a timing decision, guys. You want to raise fund via debt or you want to raise fund via equity is basically a timing decision. It's a business decision. So please make sure that this advice is taken well beyond these two schemes. और अब ना थोड़ा मजा करते हैं. Now see, we've got a gist of what exactly is, I mean, CGT MSc and what is CGSS. We'll play a game now. I will take name of an industry, okay? And I want Sharik and Dipanshi, between the two of you, to tell me that this should be a CGT MSc case or this should be a CGSS case. Okay? So are we ready to play the game? Dipanshi, Sharik?
Ready.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. Traditional manufacturing unit.
सर बिल्कुल सीधा जवाब, CGT-MSc.
Excellent. Technology startup.
CGSS.
Perfect. कपड़े की दुकान.
It would be cover under CGT-MSc only.
Okay, correct. Fintech platform.
Obviously CGSS.
Perfect. Machinery खरीदने वाला business, that means equipment buying business.
It will also cover under CGT-MSc.
Classic. Venture debt चाहिए वाला startup.
CGSS. इसके लिए तो स्कीम बनी है सर.
100%. And वो business जिसमें समझ ना आ रहा हो that should I qualify, am I qualified under CGT MSc or CGSS? If there's a confusion, what do I do?
अपना CA बुला लो.
हाँ,
Yes,
CA is
yes.
the answer. So if you're
Consult your
confused
profession.
that, yeah, so if you're confused that which one should you, opt for, you can always speak to your CA. Perfect. I mean, absolutely झकास answer. अपना CA हर मुश्किल को आसान कर ही देते हैं. सही बात है. So all right. So before we wrap up, one last message from Sharik and Dipanshi for those entrepreneurs who may be attending the webinar today. I mean, Sharik, so one message from your end.
तो सर माय मैसेज इज वेरी सिंपल. सिर्फ इसलिए फंडिंग का सपना ना छोड़ें क्योंकि आपके पास कोलेटरल नहीं है. दिस बैरियर एग्जिस्ट फ्रॉम डेकेड्स एंड दिस स्कीम्स इज स्पेसिफिकली डिजाइन टू ब्रेक इट. अगर आपका बिजनेस जेन्यून है, फाइनेंशियल्स ठीक हैं और प्लान क्रेडिबल है, तो CGT-MSc एक पावरफुल सपोर्ट है आपके लाइक बिजनेस को सपोर्ट करने के लिए.
क्या
लाइक इट्स अ
बात है. I mean,
पावरफुल सपोर्ट
very
सिस्टम. हाँ, राइट सर.
understood. I mean, Sharik, I think it's a very, very powerful message given by Sharik, that if you have a dream, do not give up on the dream if you don't have collateral. I think this is brilliant. And this is actually being enabled by the government right now. And ठीक है, बढ़िया है, सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगा. Dipanshi, what are your views?
So basically for startups founder, debt अब कोई बुरा शब्द नहीं है. CGSS is proof that the ecosystem is evolving and debt funding is becoming a genuinely good option alongside equity. लेकिन इसके साथ एक जिम्मेदारी भी आती है. So basically अब businesses को governance, compliance, sustainable growth पे focus करना पड़ेगा. The best startups aren't just innovative, वो फाइनेंशियली डिसिप्लिन भी होते हैं. तो बेसिकली बिजनेसेस को ट्राई करना चाहिए कि उनका दोनों चीजें परफेक्ट हो.
Got it. What Dipanshi just mentioned, very critical out here is that you need to make sure that you are on covering both the aspects, okay? You need to be innovative and you need to be disciplined in terms of your finances. This is a perfect note to end on, Dipanshi, and what a session this has been, a very short, crisp, and जो questions हम यहाँ cover नहीं कर रहे हैं, obviously we will be covering in the question answers from the audience and we will take all the questions. However, but before we move on to the next thing, I would like to just recap of what you just heard for everyone's benefit, okay? Now, we've got CGTMSE and you can get loans up to rupees 10 crore. And if you go on ground, technically, and correct me if I'm wrong, Sharik, up till 5 crore, you may still get some loan without a collateral, but between 5 to 10 crores, you will not, very difficult to get a loan without collateral. You generally have to make sure that you put in some, it becomes a hybrid model and you have to put in some collateral, right? I hope this is what the taking is.
Right, sir. Generally, above 5 CR, mostly banks like 90-95% banks ask for collateral.
Okay,
Not
okay,
100%,
got it.
like not 100% of the loan amount. Like if you are looking for 10 CR, they ask generally like around 1.5 CR to 2 CR like collateral.
Oh,
Like
lovely, man. Not bad.
50% of the loan amount, we can say simply.
Fantastic, fantastic. And for CGSSC, CGSS, the DPIT recognized startup के लिए, we can get nearly 20 crore rupees. Okay, so if you've got a great idea, you present it to the banks. They will have their committees sit on it, and they will not look at कि आपने क्या पिछला आपने क्या कर रखा है. Like already repeated, they will look at your repaying capacity. What is the substance which is there in your idea? वो सब कुछ करके वो आगे बढ़ाएंगे. तो मोटा मोटा अगर हम देखते हैं ना, दोनों स्कीम्स लेंडिंग एक्सेस इंप्रूव करती है. That means the lending access of the founders are being improved, and at the same time the lender risk for the bank is reducing drastically, because the government is telling the bank that in case somebody defaults on repayment, I will make 75 to 85% of the payment to you. Look at the guarantee which is being taken. So this is fantastic. And सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात यह है कि आप ये पहचानिए कि आपके बिजनेस को कौन सा स्कीम सही फिट आएगा और उसी के हिसाब से तैयारी करो. शारिक, थैंक यू सो मच. आपने एमएसएमई लेंडिंग को जेन्युइनली एक्साइटिंग बना दिया. ये कोई छोटा काम नहीं है. या
Sumanji, that's wonderful to hear. Thank you so much. I truly enjoyed this conversation and hope it will be valuable for everyone who have listened to us.
राइट. दीपांशी, आपने स्टार्टअप वाली एनर्जी पूरे डिस्कशन में भर दी. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. उम्मीद है कि सबके लिए सेशन ये हमारा आज यूजफुल रहा होगा एंड कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू ऐड हुई होगी. हैप्पी टू कंट्रीब्यूट.
Fantastic. And audience, whether you are a seasoned business owner, a startup owner, या फिर एक CA हैं आप सबका शुक्रिया for joining. Okay, we are not ending right now. हमने एक segment अभी खत्म किया है. And before we move on to the audience question and answers, which is going to be very important, and हमने इसीलिए body छोटा रखा है because पिछले बार हमारे 1 घंटे का question answer चल गया था audience का. So keeping that in mind, we've kept our stuff very small. Sharik and Dipanshi, do you have any questions before we wrap up this section, please?
So one question.
Yeah.
So basically, what are the benefits of getting the CGTMSE or CGSS cases done via dealplexes and not directly going to banks?
Right. So it's a good question, Dipanshi. Obviously people can go to the banks and directly get their job done. So that is how it is. Because दोनों scheme genuinely powerful है. Both the schemes are very, very powerful. लेकिन आपको एक honest बात बोलूंगा. इस स्कीम का फायदा उठाना जितना सिंपल दिख रहा है ना, उतना है नहीं. The schemes may sound very, very simple, gentlemen, ladies, but it is actually not. सबसे पहला चैलेंज, ओके, सबसे पहला चैलेंज, सही बैंक का चुनाव. If you don't select the correct bank, you are not going to get the loan and you're going to waste your time. Every bank has their own appetite, right? Somebody is financing manufacturers, कोई आपके फिनटेक वाले को आपका फाइनेंस करता है. तो बिना गाइडेंस के अगर आप किसी भी गलत बैंक में चले गए तो वो आपका लोन रिजेक्ट कर देंगे. If you go to a wrong bank, they will reject your cases, and on top of that, you will not be able to log in the case for another 60 to 90 odd days in any bank, in that bank. ओके, नाउ ये मैचिंग गेम जो किस बैंक में डालना है ये बहुत जरूरी है. नाउ कमिंग टू द सेकंड पॉइंट, दूसरी बात, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. मैं सीधा बोलूंगा, ये एक्सटेंसिव है एंड बहुत ही एक्सटेंसिव है. प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट, फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स, प्रोजेक्शंस, कंप्लायंस सर्टिफिकेट्स, डीपीआईआईटी रिकॉग्निशन डॉक्यूमेंट्स, एक लंबी लिस्ट है. और अगर एक भी चीज मिसिंग या इनकरेक्ट हो तो फाइल वापस आ जाती है. इफ यू miss any of these documents, or if you've made a mistake in filling up something which is not matching as per the document, it will be rejected and the case is going to come back to you. Okay, now deal plexus, what we do is, this is exactly where our expertise lies. अगर आपके बिजनेस का पैरामीटर के बेसिस पर हम सही लेंडर शॉर्टलिस्ट करते हैं, एंड ये मैचिंग गेम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में हम आपको सीक्वेंस वाइज बता देंगे आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज योर केस, दैट दीज आर द डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड एंड यू शुड बी गोइंग टू दिस बैंक. नाउ कमिंग टू द थर्ड पॉइंट, एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली दिस थर्ड पॉइंट इज द मोस्ट फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग पॉइंट दैट you'll ever come across. कि इस चीज में इतनी आप मतलब दिल टूटता है हमारा इस वाले पॉइंट में, वो बेसिकली है फॉलो अप्स. ये सिर्फ बैंक से बात करना नहीं है. You need to follow up with the credit manager. You need to follow up with the branch manager. You need to follow up with the zonal office. You need to follow up with the legal team. एक पूरी चेन होती है. You need to follow up with so many people at so many instances. Now, Deal Plexus has mastered this art and this drill. We know when to tap whom, at what instance, and we will tell you and help you with that. So the bottom line is, all these schemes, potential is there, the amount of potential which is there is humongous, okay, but the execution is very, very time consuming, and it will take a lot of expertise to make sure that the case is getting pushed. So why would you want to reinvent the wheel when Deal Plexus is already taking care of all the cases, and successfully we are churning out so many cases every month. अगर आप सीरियसली एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं तो डील प्लेक्सस के सपोर्ट नंबर पे कॉल कीजिए, एंड वी विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू टेक यू ahead in this collaborate in a very collaborative manner. And now the house is open. We would encourage everybody who has sat through this, I mean, short webinar to ask us question. आप कई क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. आप जैसा पूछना चाहें आप चैट में अपना क्वेश्चन टाइप करें, या इसके अलावा आप वर्चुअल हैंड रेज करना चाहते हैं आप प्लीज कीजिए. विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू टेक इट अहेड. So Dipanshi and Sharik, I mean, so in the meantime we'll just request you, when the questions start coming in, please decide कि कौन सा question आप कर रहे हो, whichever way you are. I mean, say कि आप ये handle कर रहे हो, and if it is required, if I have to handle, I will, and let us answer as per the sequence whatever is coming in.
Sure, sir.
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are.
सर एक्चुअली मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि मान लो अभी मैं जॉब
आप
कर
कौन
रहा
बोल रहे हैं, एक
हूँ.
बार नाम बता दीजिएगा. एनीबडी हु
Yes,
स्पीकिंग,
sir,
प्लीज
yes.
टेक योर नेम वंस. एक बार नाम बता
Yes,
दीजिए,
sir.
शहर बता दीजिए, एंड उसके बाद हम
Myself,
बात करते हैं.
myself राहुल सोनोने. आई एम लिविंग इन सूरत. सो मैं करंटली अभी सर वर्किंग हूँ, बैंक प्रोफेशन हूँ. ठीक है सर, तो मुझे स्टार्टअप करना है न्यू बिजनेस. सो क्या मैं स्टार्ट कर सकता हूँ CGTMSE के अंदर?
Dipanshi, would you like to take that question?
सो बेसिकली CGTMSE को अवेल करने के लिए ना कुछ प्रीलिमिनरी क्राइटेरियाज होते हैं. तो
Okay.
नंबर 1, आपका बिजनेस ऑलरेडी होना चाहिए एग्जिस्टिंग, और 1 साल का विंटेज भी होना चाहिए. आपके पास 1 साल की ITR फाइल्ड होनी चाहिए, आपका GST रजिस्टर्ड होना चाहिए. तो अगर आपको बिल्कुल नया स्टार्टअप शुरू करना है तो आप CGSS के लिए जाएं तो बेटर है.
Okay, for trading CGSS is good for me.
Sir, basically,
You are
I
doing trading
also,
business.
Yes, trading.
so sir,
Hello.
I would also like to add something in it. बेसिकली सर, अगर बिल्कुल ही आपका लाइक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिल्कुल ही नया है अभी इनिशियल स्टेज पे, सो यू कैन गो
Yes.
विद द लाइक इनिशियल लेवल पर आप मुद्रा के साथ जाइए. अभी लाइक 2-3 मंथ्स आप
Okay.
मुद्रा में जाइए. उसके बाद जैसे ही थोड़ा रिवेन्यू जनरेट होना शुरू होगा, उसके बाद 3 महीने या 4 महीने के बाद आप CGTMS में स्विच कर लेना, या फिर पैरेलली भी चल सकती हैं. लाइक यू कैन अवेल 20 lakhs मुद्रा on initial stage, and afterwards you can like switch to CGTMSE scheme, and you can avail like 50 lakhs or 1 CR at initial level, and gradually you can increase it up to like 5 CR, 10 CR. So
ओके, मुद्रा
like my
में सर
suggestion would be,
सब्सिडी वगैरह मुझे अवेलेबल हो सकती है?
हाँ राइट सर, आपका एक यूनिट होना चाहिए, रजिस्टर्ड होना चाहिए, और
यस,
लाइक एक प्लेस होना चाहिए जहाँ पे आपका ऑफिस है, लाइक यू विल
यस यस,
एलिजिबल फॉर मुद्रा स्कीम.
थैंक यू सर।
Right. Thank you.
Hello.
Great. Rahul, I
Hello to
hope this is
board
coming.
members.
Sorry,
Hello
just 1
to
second.
board.
So Rahul ji just
Okay.
asked a question, that I'm starting the business and can I take either of the thing? So the advice given by Sharik and Dipanshi was that right now, you do not qualify under these two schemes. What you may be, so qualifying for is basically the Mudra loan. Okay. Now that is a very small amount that you get up to 20 lakh odd rupees. And the best part is that once you've taken it, you avail that loan, you work for at least 3-4 months, and then maybe you can start thinking of a larger loan, because you need to have some record to be showing to the bank. Okay, now before we take any more questions, Yash,
Yes, sir.
Yash, can we please put a sequence to, because so many people are, so raising their hands, right? Is there a way we can, make sure that, people who have done it before is also, we are following a sequence that way? Matlab possible hai?
So what I can do is I will call them out. Like for example, next Mr. Bhola Nath Podar can be the one who can
हाँ,
question.
आप शुरू कीजिए, एंड वील रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन प्लीज बेयर विद अस. अगर थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है, प्लीज डोंट माइंड, इट इज नॉट इंटेंशनल. एंड यश जिनका नाम ले रहे हैं उन्हीं का क्वेश्चन रखें, एंड आई विल रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन who's asking a question, just limit yourself to maximum 2 questions. Don't ask anything more than that, because in all fairness we have to give time to everybody. If you have any more questions, we can do it separately one by one. The support number will be reflected to you, so you can call on that number. Yash, please.
Yeah, Mr. Bhola Nath Podar.
Yes. Thank you. Sir, my name is Bholanath Poddar. I am from Kolkata. So
Right.
I am a lawyer. So just I wanted to know whether it is possible to make any kind of collaboration with Deal Plexus on behalf of my clients.
Of course, sir. So Sharik, I think I'll take that answer. I'll
Yeah,
answer
right.
that. Sharik, Dipanshi, I'll take that question. Podarji will be more than happy, because we already have got somewhere around 30,000 odd CAs. Working with us. Okay, we are basically their backend. We are their knowledge partner and the execution partner. So, एक simple example दे रहा हूँ Podarji. Today, whenever a case comes to anybody, okay, most of the CAs, if I give an example, so either they are not doing it, or they will say कि नहीं हम ये नहीं कर रहे हैं, या they'll send it to somebody else. What we have said is, don't make your clients run around. If you are not doing that, give it to us. We will be your backend, and we will get that thing done for you. So your client does not have to run anywhere. Podarji, please give us a call on the support number. We'll be more than happy to take this discussion ahead.
Okay. And
we have
yes.
And we have a lot of partners in Calcutta. So we have got lots of, different kinds of people, who are there. In fact, we also have a lot of family offices, who've done a lot of things through us, based out of Calcutta. Some very prominent name. So yes, we would love to associate.
Just sorry, Sumanji, one more questions. What about the upfront payment from the client? Can you give a little bit light on that?
अच्छा, right, okay. Now very valid point. देखिए, इस वाले में क्या होता है ना, ये जो भी स्कीम्स हमने बताए हैं, अगर बाई चांस आप कोई किसी का लोन कहीं से कुछ करवाते हो ना, तो वो बैंक्स वगैरह आपको पैसे देते हैं. जनरल प्रैक्टिस में ये होता है. बट इस वाले केस में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. कुछ भी नहीं है. So bank will not give you एक पैसा नहीं देने वाला आपको. If the bank is not giving you money, that would mean that the client will have to be charged. And when the client is being charged, so we have to tell them very directly, starting May, not after the work is done, we say that you have to give money. No, it is not like that. So we want a very transparent ecosystem to be in place. We want the customer to know that if they get the loan done through us, there will be a certain charge to it. If they're
Okay.
okay, we will do it. If they're not okay, I mean, we respect that. I mean, so idea of theirs, and they can go straight to the bank also.
Okay. Okay. Sir, where your office is located, Deal Plexus?
We are in Gurgaon. We are based out of Gurgaon. And I mean, if anybody is familiar with Gurgaon, we are on Sona Road. I mean, this is one of the epicenters of growth that is happening today in Gurgaon.
Yeah.
And we invite, since you have asked me this question, I will take this liberty of inviting everyone. आप कभी भी दिल्ली में होते हैं, आप please हमारे office आइए. All of you and each one of you are invited to our office. We are present on Sona Road. This is a very prominent road of Gurgaon. And if you come to our place, you will realize that we don't deal with only one thing. It's a supermarket. You will have something or the other for everybody. हमारे खुद के funds हैं. We have a 200 crore startup fund. We have a 800 crore SME fund, which is a hybrid 75% debt and 25% equity. And shortly, we are launching our third fund also in the month of July, which is going to be a private equity fund of another 200 crores.
Okay, great. Okay, okay.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Your number, sir, any number to contact for, Deal Plexus?
Sir, we'll reflect the support number. I mean, yes. I mean,
Okay.
so thank you so much, Yash. The support number is on the screen. Please
Thank
put in an email to us or put in a WhatsApp. We will get in touch with you. Please put in your
Okay.
number, your name, and what exactly do you wanted to understand, what is the discussion that you want to do, and we'll be more than happy to get back to you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yash,
Thank
who's the next person, please?
Mr. Naman.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please say.
Sorry.
Hello.
Namanji, is that you?
Yes, sir.
Hanji, please, Namanji, please.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving a chance to me.
Ji.
And sir, I want to ask a question just different from the scheme, but my other question is related to scheme. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I am entering into the agri-tech startups, agricultural technological startups, in which
Okay.
we are going to export our products domestically and internationally, both of them. But sir,
Okay.
we are facing the problem of selling, not of money. We have sufficient money to do, but we are facing a problem of selling. So, sir, how can we overcome it?
Namanji, my only request is, see, I mean, since this is a little off topic and most of the people would have come for a very specific
Yes, sir.
topic, allow us the opportunity. What we'll do is we will tell the angel investment team of ours, okay? I mean, so that team or the IB team to get in touch with you. Please put in your name, number, and the specific question of yours. The relevant team from the company will get in touch with you.
Okay, sir. And sir, my another question related to scheme. Sir,
Please tell us.
sir, I am studying in the university right now, and sir,
Okay.
I worked on the startups. So
Okay.
I did registration on the Rajasthan government portal, which is
Got
iStart
it.
Rajasthan, which is
Okay.
related to the startup programs of Rajasthan government. But sir, they
Understood.
are telling me that you have to go and pitch to the investors. They are providing me the platform of pitching in front of investors. They are not
Okay.
providing me the funds like that. But someone tell me that that the Rajasthan government will provide you the fund, but it's not happening.
See, Namanji, I mean, I'll make a thumb rule very clear. Anybody, whether it's the government, whether it's a private investor, even your friends and family, okay? Anybody, before giving you the money, they need to see that there is something substantial in your hand. First point.
Yes,
That
sir.
either
Yes,
the
sir.
plan is good, okay? While you may love your plan too much, you may feel that this is the next Bill Gates idea happening. It may not appear so in
Thank you
front
so
of the
much.
other person who has to give the money. Now, when we are
Yes.
pitching to anybody, okay, because we have pitches, we have startup pitches taking place every alternate. I mean, so every 15 days, there's a startup pitch happening in our company. Now, we see founders coming in. Some ideas are great, but they don't know how to repay. There are
Yes.
people where the idea may be brilliant, but somewhere or the other, the investors don't have faith on the capability of the founders. They somehow feel that they will not be able to carry it through. We can't help that. That is perception. We can't help that. Okay. Now, whatever documents today, whatever Sharik would have mentioned, whatever Dipanshi would have mentioned, again, especially Dipanshi for you, for startup, you need to have things in a very, very systematic way. In a very systematic way. You need to have your plan ready. If you have an idea, you first need to study it to see whether it will make money or not. Can you take out the expenses? Can you make profit? All those things have to be done. So if you go to anybody, they will need a pitch deck, they will need the financial plan. If it is an existing thing, they will need to see your results, they will need to see your financial statement, either professional or this thing. They will have to see all those things. So my only
Yes,
submission
sir.
is, don't give up, right? And don't go as per ki logon ne bola tha, and that's why I'm feeling, so I'm going behind that. Rajasthan ko dena chahiye, wo nahi denge. Go to their website, please see what is their job. Are they giving you money, or are they actually there just to give you a platform? You have to be very clear. Do not go as to what somebody may have heard and now relaying to you. That's my only submission. Okay?
Thank you so much, sir, for this. And sir,
Done.
right now we are currently, regarding to my startup, we are in ideation state. So that we
Ji.
are facing many problems to offer this calculation that you told me, that how much cost we bought and how much we have to repay and how we have to, that whatever you said now. So that is the major problem we are facing, that we are in ideation and we have to do this all of this calculation. So can you tell me
Right.
how can we overcome this?
So Naman ji, two things, okay? You can meet the nearest CA, जो भी आपके वहां पे हैं, किसी CA आप in your city, whichever town you're based out of, okay? You can speak to the
Yes, sir.
nearest CA, or you can get in touch with us also. We have a team. They will get it done for you. But if they have to do the work, including the CA whom you hire, everybody will charge you something because they are doing your work, right? ये आपका business है, आपका
I
plan था.
know.
हाँ, तो उसमें एक होगा. You are more than welcome to get in touch with us. We will, send you to the relevant vertical. If you're more comfortable, you can always speak to the CA of your city also. Both the options are available to you. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you so
Done.
much.
Done. Thank you. Thank you. Next, Yash.
Next is Mr. Gagan Bareja.
Gagan ji.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Gagan ji. Please tell me.
Good morning. Thank you so much for your session, and it was really a different. You have explained a different वेबिनार जो था बिल्कुल ही डिफरेंट तरीके से पेश किया गया, जो कि बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन आंसर हो.
थैंक यू गगन जी, थैंक यू. बताइए.
तो सर जी ऐसा है, मेरे को एक छोटा
गगन जी थोड़ा लाउड बोलिएगा प्लीज, थोड़ा लाउड बोलिए.
मैं चार्ट अकाउंटेंट.
ओके.
और मैंने फंडिंग का ही काम शुरू नीश डेवलप करना शुरू करी है, और उसके लिए मेरे को आपसे मिलना भी है. मेरा आज का 3 बजे का अपॉइंटमेंट भी है.
अच्छा, you coming to meet us today?
Yes. तो मैं अभी बिल्डिंग,
what time?
आप ही की बिल्डिंग में चलना. अब अभी कहोगे तो मैं अभी आ जाऊंगा. ठीक है.
अभी तो खैर वेबिनार है. अच्छा एक मिनट. I mean, so was this meeting set up by Vanshika?
Yeah, था.
Yes, sir. So he'll be coming back.
हाँ, got it. ठीक है, understood.
सवाल है, छोटा सवाल है.
अच्छा, प्लीज बताइए.
मेरे को क्लाइंट से बात करनी है, उसकी डॉक्यूमेंट्स क्या मांगे जाए कि he will feel confident. सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज ये आता है कि आपने भी बोला कि हम एक जो भी आपका कॉन्सेप्ट है इसमें काम कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि लॉयर साहब ने बताया.
गगन जी आपका आवाज कट रहा है. I mean, can't hear you properly.
हमारी है.
हाँ जी, मच बेटर. बताइए.
तो माइक्रोफोन को उतार दिया. सो एनीवेज, अब चैलेंज ये है कि जैसे भी वकील साहब ने पूछा था कलकत्ता से कि उनके पास क्लाइंट्स है तो मेरे पास भी क्लाइंट्स है. तो इशू क्या है कि पहली मीटिंग में क्लाइंट्स जज कर लेता है कि आपको नॉलेज है या नहीं है, या आपके बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग है या नहीं है. तो उसके लिए क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट मांग ले क्लाइंट से.
बिल्कुल.
ये बहुत बड़ा इशू है एक्चुअली ना इस फील्ड में. तो एक काम करके रेफर करना इट इज डिफरेंट टास्क, और इस पे कॉन्फिडेंस आना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है क्लाइंट का. तो इट इज गुड टू बी अ सर्विस प्रोवाइडर अंडर वन अम्ब्रेला फॉर एवरीथिंग, बट चैलेंज आता है क्लाइंट को. अगर वहां पे एक बार भी कॉन्फिडेंस हिलता है तो इशू आता है. तो ये सवाल है.
बिल्कुल. देखिए गगन जी, बिल्कुल सही बात है. हम सब, सिर्फ क्लाइंट ही नहीं, आप भी ना, पैसे के मामले में अगर किसी ने अगर आपके भरोसे को हल्का सा भी थोड़ा सा चोट पहुंचा दिया, तोड़ा भी नहीं, हल्का सा चोट पहुंचा दिया, हिला दिया, आप 3 बार सोचोगे वहां पे जाने के पहले. करोगे ना?
यस.
तो उसमें इट इज नेचुरल एंड वी रिस्पेक्ट दैट फैक्ट. एंड हमें ये भी पता है कि जो मेहनत से अगर कोई क्लाइंट अगर आपके दरवाजे पे आया है, अगर हम उनके साथ अगर हम सही उनके जस्टिस नहीं कर पा रहे उनके टाइम का, ये दोबारा कभी हमारे पास नहीं आएंगे. So rest assured for one thing, that whenever you're talking, if you want any of our team members also, to be part of that initial meeting also, we'll be more than happy. हमारे यहाँ पे जो हमारे काम हम लोग करते हैं गगन जी, you won't believe, 90% of our meetings take place online. 10% जैसे आप आज आ रहे हैं, I mean, limited people come over, and whenever they come over, obviously हम सबसे मिला देते हैं. आप इनसे भी मिलिए, इनसे भी मिलिए, all the vertical head. But at any given moment, you feel that I may not be able to do justice because either I don't know the product or I'm not interested in finishing the product. Please, my humble request, take us online and let us do the meeting on your behalf. Period. इतना करने दीजिए हमारे को. It should be more than sufficient for you and your client.
ठीक है.
ठीक है, and बाकी हम बाद में मिल लेंगे. I mean, obviously we are meeting in person, so we can have all the questions that time. We'll meet you.
Okay.
जी.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yash?
Next is Mr. Bhavesh Khambyatha. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong.
Yeah, Bhavesh ji, please tell us.
अच्छा लगा, मतलब सेशन भी बढ़िया था, बिकॉज ऑफ के ऑलरेडी मैं करीबन 20 साल एंड ज़्यादा एनबीएफसी एंड बैंकिंग्स में काम कर चुका हूँ.
लवली.
अभी तो मैं मतलब अपना करंटली जो मैक्सिमम जो हमारे यहाँ पे सौराष्ट्र गुजरात में मैं वर्क कर रहा हूँ, तो जो न्यू बिजनेस है उन लोगों का मतलब जो भी लोन प्रोसेस या बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट वगैरह सब वर्क कर रहे हैं, और साथ में मैं सर्टिफाइड इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर भी हूँ. सो गाइडेंस, मोटिवेटर एंड मेंटर का भी वर्क करवा लेता हूँ यहाँ पे. अभी पास एक केस भी है और मेरा कजिन का ही है कि मतलब न्यू स्टार्टअप करना है, बिकॉज ऑफ के ही डन एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन कंप्लीट, और उनके भाई जो है मतलब चाचा का बेटा है, उनका भी एक है. वो मेरा कजिन, वो दोनों साथ मिल के मिल्क प्रोडक्ट जो आती है ना, डेयरी प्रोडक्ट, वो पूरा स्टार्ट करते हैं, और करीबन उसको 14 करोड़ के समथिंग अमाउंट चाहिए. तो अभी उसमें दो चीज चाहिए थी, एज ए पार्टनरशिप में वो बेटर रहेगा या प्रोप्राइटरशिप में, या फिर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, या फिर कोई मतलब कोई सुझाव आप करें जो प्रॉपर्ली रहे. एंड देन उनको डेवलप करना है लिस्टिंग तक, मुझे करीबन 3 साल में वहां तक भी पहुंचाना है, 3 से 4 साल में मैक्सिमम में.
ओके, सो इस वाले में आई मीन बिकॉज इट इज अ लिटिल आउट ऑफ स्कोप फॉर द टॉपिक जो आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, वी विल टेक दिस अप सेपरेटली. बट आपको एक चीज तो पक्का बोलना मैं चाहूंगा कि इफ समबडी इज स्टार्टिंग अ बिजनेस एंड स्टार्टिंग में ही उनको अगर 14 करोड़ रुपए चाहिए, तो सबसे पहले लोग यही पूछेंगे कि जो 14 करोड़ आप ले रहे हो उसमें से आप अपना पैसा कितना लगा रहे हो कि दूसरों से आप 14 करोड़ मांग रहे हो.
8.5 करोड़ तो वो लगा लेंगे उनमें.
अच्छा, दे आर पुटिंग 8.5 करोड़. गॉट इट.
का प्रोजेक्ट बनता है उनका
जी,
8.5 तो वो लोग लगाएंगे उसमें.
फैंटास्टिक. आप मैसेज कर दीजिए आपके पास. यश, प्लीज पुट द स्क्रीन थिंग, आई मीन जिसमें आपके नंबर, सपोर्ट नंबर्स, आईडीज, वो सब कुछ. हाँ जी सर, ये आपके सामने है. आप इसमें सिर्फ 2 लाइन लिख दीजिए, या अगर आपके पास कंपनी का पिच डेक है जो आप देना चाहें आप शेयर कर दीजिए, एंड से दैट दिस इज व्हाट वी आई मीन वांट टू नो, एंड द रेलेवेंट टीम विल गेट बैक टू यू. शुडंट बी अ प्रॉब्लम.
ओके, डेफिनेटली. और एक छोटा सा एक और भी काम था मेरे यहाँ पे.
बताइए ना, प्लीज बताइए.
सौराष्ट्र के अंदर करीबन 1400 मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट्स है.
गॉट इट.
तो इस तरह का हमारा मतलब सेशन वगैरह सब चलता है, जिसमें मैं एमएसएमई एंड सिडबी को लेके जाता हूँ वहाँ पे, और करीबन 150 लोगों को वहाँ पे प्रेजेंस करवाता हूँ. तो जो अगर सपोर्ट वगैरह सब इन फ्यूचर में अगर मिल जाए, नॉट मैं मानता हूँ टॉपिक से बाहर है, बट अगर कुछ मिल जाता है तो थोड़ा बढ़िया रहेगा हर एक लोगों के लिए भी, एमएसएमई में खास.
We'll be more than happy to help. And मैं आपको एक चीज भी बता रहा हूँ. देखिए, ये जो सिडबी है ना, इन्होंने ही कराया ये सब कुछ, राइट? आई मीन तो जो आपके स्कीम वीम दिख रहे हैं, गवर्नमेंट ने इनके साथ मिलकर ही सब कुछ बनाया हुआ है. लेकिन ये जब सब कुछ बना रहे हैं, क्या ये हर जगह पे जाके ये आपका बेनिफिट दे पा रहे हैं? द आंसर इज नो, ऑब्वियसली. आई मीन दे आर टू बिग अ कंपनी की आपके लिए वो एग्रीगेट करे. लेकिन वी एज अ कंपनी वी आर एग्रीगेटिंग फ्रॉम मल्टीपल आई मीन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. हमारे टाई अप्स बैंक के साथ हैं, एनबीएफसीज के साथ में है, हमारे फिनटेक्स के साथ में है, एएफ्स के साथ में है. इनफैक्ट हमारे टाई अप्स आपके प्राइवेट लेंडर्स के साथ में भी हैं. हमारे पास में यहाँ फैमिली ऑफिसेस भी आते हैं. एंड मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि हमारे यहाँ पे जो फैमिली ऑफिसेस जो हमारे साथ जो इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा, मतलब आई डोंट थिंक इट विल बी करेक्ट टू टेक द नेम, बट एक हमारे पास ऐसा भी फैमिली ऑफिस है जो खुद वेल्थ का पूरा वर्टिकल संभालते हैं. एंड उनका जो पूरा जो पैन इंडिया में उनका जो वैल्यू है ना, ही इज वर्थ 72,000 crores. इनका खुद का पैसा भी हमारे पास है. तो हम कहीं ना कहीं कुछ अच्छा कर रहे होंगे कि इतने बड़े लोग जिनके खुद का ही वेल्थ का पूरा एम्पायर है, इवन दे आर पुटिंग मनीज विद अस.
ना मतलब सही बात है. यहाँ पे वाधवानी फाउंडेशन का भी मतलब काफी डिस्कशन चलता है, सेमिनार भी करते हैं हम यहाँ पे उसके. तो ये मतलब थोड़ा रहता है, लेकिन इससे प्रोडक्ट रिगार्डिंग वगैरह सब में अगर हेल्प या प्रोसेस वगैरह पे यहाँ पे लोकल पे भी मिल जाता है आपकी तरफ से.
पक्की बात है, आप कराइए. आई मीन वी कैन हैव अ डिटेल्ड कन्वर्सेशन आफ्टर दिस. And so we will get the relevant team to, I mean, so talk to you, whether the investment banking team, investment equity team, or the angel team, जिसके साथ भी बात करने की जरूरत है, or it is the normal loan team or the insurance team, whatever is there, हम उनसे बात करा देंगे आपकी.
Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you, Bhavesh. Thank you so much. Yash, next, please.
Next is Harsha.
Yeah, Harsha ji, please.
Yes. Hi, Suman. Hope you are
Hi.
doing fine. Hi, Dipanshi and Sharik. That was nice session.
Great.
See, we are a startup and we recently incorporated, and
Okay.
we fall under Industry 4.0,
Okay.
where we are into deep tech consumer IoT,
Got it.
building for intelligent home infrastructure, especially
Right.
into kitchens.
Especially into?
So my question is, like, does individual founders credit history is compulsion for CGSS?
Sorry, I mean,
Sorry,
Sharik, are
can
you
you
there?
come again?
Yeah. Could you please
So
try
I'm
repeat the
asking,
question?
like, an individual founder's credit history, is it compulsion for CGSS scheme?
I'm sorry, I mean, Harsha ji, I really couldn't answer I couldn't understand the last part of your sentence.
He's asking
So
if
I'm talking about an individual founder's credit history, like
Right.
the credit check. Is it mandatory and compulsion for CGSS scheme?
Yeah, right, sir. Sir, it is mandatory.
It is mandatory.
Yeah.
So if one of the founder is defaulter, what could be the chances? Like, how can we get over through it?
So, sir, if it is a like
Okay, Sharik, this
proprietorship,
is a very specific case. Sharik, just
हाँ,
one
right,
second.
sir.
I mean, it's a very specific case. I mean, we would like to, because there is, it's a personal, this thing, action also involved. Let us
Right,
take
right.
this up separately, Harsha ji, please. I mean, after this, we would
Sure,
not
sure.
want to, I mean, flood the, I mean, because this was a very a specific question. Let us take this after the webinar.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Sharik
And
will be answering.
can I have
मैं
one
आपको
more
पहले
quick
बता रहा हूँ.
question?
I'm telling you beforehand that Sharik will be answering this question of yours, but we would want this information to go to you only. I mean, so that is how it is.
Okay, great, no problem. And can I have another quick question?
Right, please tell us.
So as we fall under deep tech and IoT base,
yes.
So we have a major problem of finding components in India. So we want to set up a manufacturing unit in Taiwan or Vietnam.
Okay.
And probably will run the operations from India.
Okay.
So is it possible? I mean, if we get any grant or something like that, CGSS, we fall under. Can we relocate our manufacturing unit to Vietnam and Taiwan?
See, you can. I mean, so this is, I mean, just off the this thing kind of thing. Obviously, it is your company. You can shift anywhere you want to, right? I mean, so if you want to go
But
there,
CGS does CGSS allow us, like, once if suppose we get I mean, funded by CGSS scheme, would it allow us?
No, it
No,
will
sir.
not.
You can open a separate unit, like a subsidiary company or like a second unit of outside India.
No,
but
it
you
won't be
can't.
a second unit. I'm telling you, like, our operations will be in India only. I mean, we are incorporated in India, but our manufacturing unit on the same company's name.
You can do
will be
that.
established,
You can do that. Yeah,
we
right.
can
You can do that.
right? Yeah,
Right.
great. So I have plenty of other doubts. Probably, Suman, we can catch up later. And I already dropped.
Pakka, definitely. Also, just remember one thing. You know, I mean, I
sorry.
don't know.
Taking your time.
Sorry.
Little
please.
More,
I mean, you're not taking your time. You are helping us educate ourselves. Please ask.
See, as I said, we fall under Industry 4.0, and most of the consultants have no idea. Especially, I mean, I get more many calls from Gurgaon and Delhi. They don't understand what Industry 4.0 is. So I hope, I mean, you have better understanding what falls under Industry 4.0, which comes under manufacturing, AI, services, and all. So as I said, we fall under Industry 4.0. Could you please, I mean, have more detailed, understanding of that, and so that we can have a separate, separate conversation in detail.
Absolutely.
And I'm in total rush. Like, we have prototype ready already. I mean, we have done with our prototype. The testings are under, great going.
So So Harsha ji, my advice is you need to get in touch with our equity team, okay? They will, whenever they have a conversation with anybody, obviously we take help of our vertical experts and all those people. So you don't have to worry that anybody coming to a meeting will be well prepared and well versed with the industry before sitting for a meeting. Nobody will and can afford to waste their time and more so the client's time. So don't worry on that aspect. We will get, please put in a message. Sorry, Yash, go back to that thing and keep that slide on, please. Yeah,
I've already dropped a mail. I've already dropped a mail.
Perfect.
And
so the
probably
relevant team,
we can connect around 5 in the evening today if any
today,
of your team is free.
The relevant team, we have to take their considerations. So on a Saturday, maybe a little difficult. But next week, somebody will get in touch with you. Since you're saying it's an emergency, Monday works for you?
Yes, absolutely.
Monday works. So Yash, please get this noted, please, everybody.
Yeah, I've noted the meeting.
Okay, Harsha ji is in a little bit of rush, and this would be Nitin's team who should be looking into it. And we would want to give the background, whatever Harsha ji just mentioned. Please feed 100%. We can't leave any details. Whatever needs to be fed to them, please feed them and tell them that Monday to block some time.
Thank you so much, Suman.
Please, you're always welcome. Next, please, Yash.
Mr. Rajan Singh.
Rajan ji, good afternoon. Please tell me.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
प्लीज सर बताइए।
सर मैं बिहार पटना से बिलोंग करता हूँ। मैं अभी मुद्रा लोन में मैं अप्लाई किया था, जो कि फ्लोर मिल का मैंने एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट का प्लान किया था, तो उसमें मैं अप्लाई किया था, बट उसका रिजेक्ट हो गया। तो फिर मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था मैं कौन सा स्कीम में अप्लाई करूँ, तो आप मुझे सजेशन कर सकते हैं। और लोन रिक्वायरमेंट है 20 लाख के आसपास।
20 लाख
जी।
शारिक, शारिक आपका आवाज कट रहा है बड़ी।
आवाज आपका ब्रेक हो रहा है।
शारिक आपका आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रहा, आपका ब्रेक हो रहा है। शारिक, are you there?
Hello.
Sharik, can you hear us?
Yeah, I'm there, sir.
हाँ, so we couldn't hear any part of your answer. एक बार आप फिर से राजन जी को बता दें,
Yes, sir.
प्लीज, आप क्या बता रहे थे?
Give me a second. अभी आवाज आ रहा है क्या सर?
हाँ आ रहा है।
बेटर।
अच्छा, तो राजन जी मैं पता कर रहा था कि आपका रीजन ऑफ रिजेक्शन क्या था? रिजेक्ट क्यों हुआ था केस?
क्योंकि बैंक में गया था एप्लीकेशन, बैंक ने सीधे रिजेक्ट कर दिया कि अभी इस स्कीम में अप्लाई नहीं हो रहा है, उसका यही फीडबैक था।
तो आपने यूनिट नया सेटअप किया वहाँ पे,
लाइक
बिल्ट। अच्छा, ओके
है ना। राजन जी एक काम करेंगे, आप ना इस मेल पे हमें लिख दीजिए, आप मैसेज कर दीजिए इस वाले पे, ठीक है? बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, मुद्रा इस वाले हिस्सा नहीं है, बट अगर वो
मैं आपको कॉल कर लूंगा सर।
हाँ, वो हम कॉल कर लेंगे आपको, एंड आपको एक बार लेकिन रीजन बताना पड़ेगा कि कोई बैंक ने कुछ रीजन दे के उसे मना किया होगा, तो वो क्या चीज है एग्जैक्टली आपको सही से बोलना पड़ेगा, सो दैट वी कैन हेल्प यू।
ओके, ठीक है, मीटिंग के बाद आप हमें कॉल कर लीजिएगा, पूरा डिस्कशन करते हैं।
डन राजन जी, डन।
मैं अपना कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर शेयर कर देता हूँ।
हाँ, आप इसमें शेयर कर दीजिए, अगर आज नहीं तो आपका नेक्स्ट वीक हम वो कर लेंगे, एट द अर्लीस्ट, जैसे सीक्वेंस वाइज जो आ रहा है हम उसी हिसाब से हम कर देंगे।
ओके,
ठीक है, डन। थैंक यू सो मच राजन जी, थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट यश।
नेक्स्ट इज मिस्टर काव्याश्री। मिस काव्याश्री। Kavyashri, are you with us?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello, good morning, Saban sir.
Good morning.
Sunil sir, and Sharik sir, and Shinam. Actually, I'm like very much honored that I got this webinar. So my name is Kavyashri, and I'm from Andhra Pradesh. और मैं BBA कर चुकी हूँ this year. So
मैम आपका आवाज फट रहा है, आप कैन यू बी अ लिटिल मोर क्लियरर प्लीज?
Hello.
प्लीज। या बेटर।
Hello. Sir, अभी सुनाई दे रहा है? Sir, I'm saying like
Yes,
I am from Andhra Pradesh and I completed my BBA. तो मुझे बस कुछ करना है अपनी जिंदगी में. So जैसे कि एक बिजनेस है व्हाइट गार्लिक गोल्ड का. यूपी में एक पर्सन ने स्टार्ट किया, तो उनके वहाँ पे गार्लिक बहुत ज्यादा मिलता है, तो उसके हिसाब से उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया. अब वो ब्लिंकिट पे भी बेच रहे हैं, बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं. उन्होंने भी सीजीएस में से ऐसा कुछ लोन लिया था मेरे हिसाब से. तो अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि हम एपी से है, तो हमारा एक स्टार प्रोडक्ट है. आई वांट टू प्रोसेस दैट, मैन्युफैक्चर दैट. तो आई वांट टू पुट अ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट. हमारे पास लैंड है. यूजिंग दैट वी वांट टू पुट अ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट, जिससे कि हम बी2बी सेल्स कर सके और धीरे से बी2सी में भी जा सके और एक ब्रांड बना सके. सो फॉर दैट आई वांट सीजीटी एमएससी लाइक 5 करोड़ तक का ऐसा कुछ प्लान है मेरा. So regarding that, I want all the information and help from you. So yeah, regarding that, I would want help from you. Hello.
Right, right. Sharik?
Hello.
Ma'am, in short, you can
अभी
avail
मतलब
project
पूछिए.
financing. Ma'am, in short,
जी.
I would say you can avail project financing, but for detailed conversation or consultancy, I would like I can call you after this meeting.
सर क्योंकि ना मुझे पक्का करना है एंड अभी
नहीं,
हाँ इट्स ओके बट लेट मी जस्ट टेल
like
यू वन थिंग कि
I would
मतलब हमें
telling
जो
you
है
yes, ma'am.
जी
So I was
एक मिनट
telling
सुन
you
लीजिए
the
सर. आई
like
एम सेइंग दैट. हेलो
Ma'am, you're audible. Please go ahead.
सर. योर वॉइस इज नॉट. सर आई एम सेइंग लाइक मुझे ये करना है एंड आई वांट प्रॉपर गाइडेंस बिकॉज मैं देख पा रही हूँ जो हम आइडिया लगाना चाहते हैं वो हम अपने
Right.
एपी में 2-3 ऑलरेडी है यूनिट्स, प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट्स है. बट दिस इस प्रोडक्ट के लिए डिमांड भी बहुत ज्यादा है और मतलब जैसे कि हम थोड़ा एक्सपोर्ट भी करना चाहते हैं एंड वी ऑल्सो वांट कि आप लोग उसमें भी हेल्प करें क्लाइंट्स देखने में जहाँ पे हम अच्छे से सेल कर सके, वी गेट अ गुड मार्जिन. इन सब में थोड़ा सा हेल्प चाहिए एंड ऑल्सो वी वांट टू this idea further and हमें फंडिंग चाहिए for this
definitely.
to put the manufacturing unit. तो हमको मतलब स्टार्टिंग से आपका हेल्प चाहिए कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है इसके
Got
रिगार्डिंग.
it. Got it. Done, ma'am. Done. I mean, understood. I mean, so please put in a mail to us, okay? Mail or a WhatsApp thing, message. आपके पास दोनों number है आपके पास में. Please put in a message.
जी.
Put in what exactly do you want, and we will get the team members to, I mean, speak to you.
So like am I eligible for this CPMST?
ma'am, in
Ma'am,
short, ma'am, you
हाँ.
can in short you can take like avail project financing, but like I was saying, for detailed discussion I can call you later on.
Because we need to see what your financials are, ma'am. We really, I mean, see,
Okay.
Right,
in
ma'am.
this conversation, we don't even know that आपने कितने पैसे लगाए, क्या stage में business है, has any ITR been filled? I mean, are you in loss? Are you making profits? What is the projection that you've given for the next 5 years or 3 years?
So actually the thing is no, the thing is I have not started it. I want to
Yeah,
start.
I got it.
So
So मैम
like
वही बोल रहा था
उससे
मैं
पहले
कि
हम
आप
सब कुछ जानना चाहते हैं. हाँ ओके.
मैम मैं वही बता
Exactly.
रहा था कि
So
आप
that consultancy we can provide you.
yes मैम.
Okay. So should I write my number and email ID so that after that you can mail me or like call me? It would be good if you can call me.
Yeah, sure
You
ma'am, I
can
will do.
drop in my in my personal email.
Ma'am, just put in a message out here. I mean, what is reflecting in front of you? You know, you have the phone number and also the email ID.
Email
So,
address you can.
drop in a
Okay.
message. हाँ, ma'am. हाँ. Drop in a message. I mean, somebody will, I mean, so connect. The relevant team will connect with you, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yash, next.
Next is Mr. Ashwani Jha.
Ashwini ji, please.
हेलो नमस्कार सुमन सर. अश्विनी
Namaskar,
झा बोल
Ashwini
रहा
ji. Thank you so much for coming over.
हूँ. मैं सर नवी मुंबई में रहता हूँ और यहाँ पे जो मेरा बिजनेस है अभी एक प्रोप्राइटरशिप फॉर्म है ठीक है, जो लगभग 2019 से चल रहा है जिसमें मैं फिश ट्रेड करता हूँ अभी.
Okay.
और इसी को एक्सपैंड करना है. जैसे कि मैं स्टेट बैंक वगैरह विजिट भी किया कि कोई स्कीम वगैरह अगर बेनिफिट मिले और गवर्नमेंट का भी सब्सिडी मिले। तो गवर्नमेंट का सब्सिडी अभी थोड़ा डाउन किया गया है उसको, और अक्टूबर नवंबर में फिर से वो लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे। तो मेरा जो
ओके, आपका
एक्सपेंशन का है जी
जी
हेलो
जी जी, प्लीज
एक्सपेंशन
गो अहेड।
एक्सपेंशन का प्लान है कि मतलब अभी तो मैं फिश ट्रेड कर रहा हूँ। अभी क्या है कि एक श्रिम्प फार्मिंग प्रोजेक्ट ये कर रहा हूँ, जो इंटीग्रेटेड फार्मिंग है पूरा, जहाँ पे मैं फार्म भी कर रहा हूँ, उसको प्रोसेस भी कर रहा हूँ और स्टोर भी कर रहा हूँ। कोल्ड स्टोरेज वगैरह सब कुछ है उसके अंदर। ठीक है, तो वो
ओके,
प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट वगैरह मैंने स्टेट बैंक में दिया, लेकिन वो लोग ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट दिखा नहीं रहे उस पे।
गॉट इट।
उन्होंने मतलब मेरे से सुना कि क्या मेरा प्लान है, क्या है, नहीं है। उन्होंने फॉर्मली जो एप्लीकेशन एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया अभी तक। ठीक है, और मुझे अपडेट वगैरह नहीं दिया उन्होंने। मैंने एक जगह विजिट भी किया था प्राइवेट फंडिंग वगैरह के लिए, लेकिन थोड़ा उसमें स्लो डाउन चल रहा है सब कुछ। तो मेरा जो ये प्रोजेक्ट है सर, वो ये जानना था कि CGTMSE या दूसरा जो आपने स्कीम बताया उसके अंदर आएगा क्या ये?
शारिक।
हाँ सर, आएगा, 100% आएगा।
फार्मिंग फार्मिंग प्रोसेसिंग एंड कोल्ड स्टोरेज सर। एक्चुअली हर एक चीज
हाँ
का अलग अलग गवर्नमेंट के पास है स्कीम, जैसे कोल्ड स्टोरेज लगाने का अलग, प्रोसेसिंग प्लांट लगाने का अलग। लेकिन सब कुछ इंटीग्रेट करके अगर बेस्ट आप अगर गाइड कर पाए तो वो बेनिफिशियल रहेगा, क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट
नहीं,
वो 5 CR तक का है सर ये।
बिल्कुल सर।
और
सर जैसे मैंने पिच में भी बताया था कि सारे ही सेक्टर्स कवर्ड होते हैं CGTMSE के अंदर, लेकिन एलिजिबिलिटी डिटर्मिनेशन थोड़ा सा अलग है, वो हम लाइक सेपरेटली कर लेंगे एक बार डिस्कस।
हाँ, हाँ, तो अगर वो डिस्कशन होगा उस पर तो सर ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल रहेगा, क्योंकि
राइट राइट।
एक्चुअली वो मतलब कब जनवरी से मैं स्टेट बैंक से बात कर रहा हूँ। ये जो
ओके।
गवर्नमेंट का एक स्कीम है उसमें भी मैंने अप्लाई किया हुआ था, FIDF करके, फिशरीज इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट फंड। तो उसमें मैंने अप्लाई अप्लाई किया हुआ था। उस टाइम पे मेरा जो प्रोजेक्ट कॉस्ट था वो सर 10 CR के आसपास था, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट वो 2026 मार्च में उनका सब वाइंड अप हुआ ये स्कीम। अब फिर से वो लोग रीलॉन्च करेंगे, लेकिन अभी उन्होंने न्यू एप्लीकेशन एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया। तो उसमें ये था कि 25% का गारंटी वो FIDF लेगी, बाकी 75% का कोलेट्रल वगैरह वो मुझे मैनेज करना पड़ेगा, बैंक को देना पड़ेगा।
गॉट
ठीक
इट सर।
है? तो
सर
ओके
75%।
मैं वही बोल रहा था सर, आप 100% एलिजिबल हो CGTMSE
जी
स्कीम के अंडर में, लेकिन लाइक अमाउंट ऑफ लोन यू गेट वो एक सेपरेट लाइक क्राइटेरिया क्राइटेरिया है, उसको हम एक बार आपके फाइनेंशियल्स मांग लेंगे आपसे
हाँ हाँ।
सेपरेटली इस कॉल के बाद, फिर हम आपको बता देंगे कितना लोन एलिजिबल है आपका।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू सो मच,
थैंक यू,
थैंक यू शारिक।
थैंक यू सो मच अश्विन जी, थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट प्लीज यश।
Next is someone device name and register Samsung SMG9. Can you please unmute yourself and tell your name?
Hello.
Yes please,
Hello.
yes.
Hello. Hello, sir. My name is Vipin Varki. I'm calling from Mumbai.
जी विपिन
So,
जी।
sir, actually, we are into manufacturing and services of industrial electronics.
ओके
It is a primarily it is a very niche segment. So I'll tell you a little bit about it. Is that whatever machinery we see for construction, mining, power generation. Okay.
राइट
Initially, they used to be hand operated, like it was all mechanical. Okay. Now, with time, it has all become very automated, and it is run through a control system. Okay. And generally, for each equipment, the control system cost is minimum 10% to it goes to 25-30%. To some extent, it goes to 40% also.
राइट
If you take into the weight of the control system to the entire machinery in terms of ratio, it might be very fractional, and then not
ओके
even 1 or 2% in terms of weight, but the in terms of value, it is way more, and in terms of utility, it is way more. Without it, it cannot function. Okay, so all of
ओके
these items are imported heavily in India. Mostly they are imported from US and to some extent
ओके
EU, and they
राइट
are all manufactured there only. There's no alternate Chinese alternate of these. Okay, so um, we uh, we want to get into this segment, and we have created separate segments like Some products we do reverse engineering and create it alternate. Some of it we make a replica of it. Okay. Some of it we customize it. Some of it we repair it. So it's a integrated suite of services depending on which is suitable for a customer based on the
Wonderful.
budget. Yeah.
Ji.
So since it is based venture, the returns are very high. Considering the value of these products is very high. Okay. So we have done the research and all of those things. We've created the supply chain, the technology, all of this we have created. And we have done some trials. We have sold for 22 units. Okay. And we have created the customer base minimum for it as of now. And we are trying to raise some funds. Okay. So this is just a launch pad to create into a big, large manufacturing tech venture, something like Foxconn.
Okay.
So that would require like 50 CR, but that is not where we want to go to. The thing which we are doing now, we have created a project size of like 3 CR as of now. Okay. And we want to deploy it in phases. Considering this is a very new segment which is starting in India, to create the talent pool and all of that would require some time. So the first stage we only are looking for like 61 lakhs.
Okay.
Yes. So and in that again, majority part of it is for importing of some machinery, some spares, some components, and some ancillary units of those machinery. Okay. And some of it goes into consulting and creating the infrastructure and all. So there is a breakup to it.
Okay.
And so we have again splitted it into 10, 15, 20 based on the progression of, because we cannot go from like 1 or 2 units to 10,000 in one go. Like it would go
Right.
from like, So
fair enough.
so I created a realistic project report of like 10-15 lakhs. Okay, initially I did approach Bank of India through the Jansamat portal. Initially I approached it in person, didn't bother. Then I did apply through Jansamat, and they didn't bother again. Okay, I've tried it with SBI also. Again, they didn't bother at all. So for some of so I actually wanted to know the primary reason being, which I got to know indirectly, is like my amount size is small. Okay. And
Yeah. Sir, I got
generally
your
in
concern. Sir, interrupting you between. Sir, I got your concern. So can we catch you later on, sir? We need some information, sir, to determine the your eligibility and amount of loan you can get.
Okay, fine.
Huh.
Okay, no issues.
Okay.
So
Thank you
the
so much.
number which you had shared on the screen, I have noted it down. We can connect on Monday.
You can also write us a mail. Yeah.
Okay,
I
fine.
think if you
No.
just put it in words even now, right now, I mean, so that what exactly, I mean, so it's this thing, see, I mean, we generally heard you, but without looking at the finances, can't mention anything. I mean, what
Yeah,
exactly is possible and what is not possible. But if you do put in a message, we will get back to you on this. I think Sharik himself will be handling this one. And or email, whichever way you're comfortable, WhatsApp or email, put it right now. So we will fix up a meeting, I mean, whenever it is there. And we'll request you to send across as much literature and information as possible.
Okay, fine.
Okay?
No issues, no issues. Yeah, okay. Thank you, thank you. Yeah.
Looking forward to it. Thank you.
Next is Mr. Pavan Shri Surya Sai Vemuri.
Okay. Yeah. Pavanji, please. Pawanji, are you there?
I think he has wrote a question in a chat box.
Yeah, I'm in traveling. Okay, maybe he's traveling right now. ठीक है, Pawanji, don't worry. Somebody from the team will get in touch with you. We'll request you in the meantime if you can write something. Okay, you've written something. एक बार.
Hello.
Okay, I mean, he sent across a message. I'm just reading the message. I mean, from you.
May I ask a question?
Pawanji, is that you?
Mr. Suresh, we will take your question next. Just a minute.
Okay. I mean, so he's put in a message, Yash.
Yeah.
Pawanji has put in a message, right? I mean, so Inka, I mean, so just, I mean, I think we need to, I mean, understand the. So Pawanji, see, we can't tell you, I mean, which business to enter. देखिए, वो तो हम नहीं कर पाएंगे आपको. But if you need some specific help, maybe we can look at that. I mean, from your question, we can't figure out what exactly is the need, and whatever we can interpret it is coming out of our preview and beyond our scope.
Yeah, sir, it is related to project financing.
I mean, if it is project financing, then we can look at it.
Yeah.
So, Sharik, can I request you to, I mean, so get in touch with, I mean, Pawanji?
Yeah. So, sir, could you please like put your number in a chat so I can call you later?
Not in the chat, because this is visible to everybody. I mean, so please request you to, I mean, put across your number on that call us number. That's our support number. If you can put it there, Pawanji.
You can tap in the new chat button where you can select the person. For example, you can chat with Sharik or me. You can share that so that your number cannot be distributed everywhere.
Right. Okay. Yash, the message that I see out here, I mean, is this a message which is being read by everybody or only us?
This is for everyone. I request everyone.
Sir, my request, please do not put your number like this. I mean, so you'll start getting spam calls from other people. I mean, we'll request you to please remove your number from here.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you, sir. So anybody who. So Sharik, please put this on. I mean, so you'll have to speak to Pawanji. He's given his details.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Next, Yash.
Hold on. Next is Mr. Manab L.
Manabji, please.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Manavji. Please tell us.
This is Manav from Kolkata.
Sir, please.
Can you hear me? I am audible?
You are audible.
Okay. Actually, I am a retired person. I had some experience in different fields. Now I have floated a private limited company in my son's and others' name. The purpose is, have you heard about this hydrogen water?
Yes, we
or
have.
any project you have dealt with?
I'll have to ask the relevant
CBG product, sir. CBG project we have done.
Pardon?
So CBG compressed biogas projects we have worked on CBG project.
No.
Yeah, I know that, sir. Hydrogen.
Hydrogen water is future water.
Yeah.
It is internationally, it is highly accepted, and in India, hardly 1%, even not 1%, the people know about this. It is basically on the healthy drinking water. We had a project, and we have gone to a lot of banks and others, but they can't able to go through fully it. So that is one part. Now we have already floated the company, and what was the requirement is that was a big amount. Now only in the small quantity, we are in the verge to produce this one as a packaged drinking water in this form. So the
Okay.
licensing and others we are setting up. We have applied for the FSSAI and others. What are the requirement things that you will also come to know? Now, this is only in the initial phase in Kolkata, but simultaneously as a packaged drinking water, and it will be explored in the total all India market. The amount of the requirement is to be very, very high because we have to set up factory in different states. Otherwise, transportation cost will be very high.
Okay.
So for this concept, as the peoples are not aware of this, they might be knowing the alkaline water. We are expertise in that also.
Okay.
But this alkaline hydrogen water, it is a concept marketing initially in the Indian market.
Right.
So not only on the manufacturing productions, we require a big fund in the marketing.
True.
Get my point? So
Right.
I will send a simple way the project report that is made, not professionally. So you can work it out and you can get it back from your suggestions and inputs. Will it be okay for this Indian market? It's a
See,
conceptual new product.
so okay, Manavji, let me put something in front of you. So there was a case. I mean, so Sharik is from the IB debt team, and also he handles government schemes and everything. So there was a
Okay.
case of hydrogen water which had come for us, this thing. So that was handled by the equity team out here. And I will tell you what happened with that case.
No is available in India, sir. Drinking hydrogen water. It is only machinery parts which is imported from the South Korea and China and Japan. Only the installation of machines. But as a
Right.
drinking packaged water, there is no brand till now available.
Right. Okay. So maybe I can share this with you. I mean, so maybe subsequently, in a one-to-one basis. I mean, so the relevant team will speak to you. There was
Okay.
a difference because that case also, it looked as if the marketing price will be very, very high. Because when we
Yes.
asked, the person that what is the manufacturing cost for you and what is the cost of selling for you. So the difference was very sharp.
I can give you every detail.
Done.
What is our
Fair enough.
projections and everything.
Fair enough. Sir, will request you to please put in a message out here and give the topic.
I'll send the email. That will be better because it is the elaborated part. And
Absolutely.
second thing, what is the interest rate in the CGF SME?
Right. Sharik?
Sir, so interest rate would be like if you go for totally unsecured part, it will be around 10.5%. If you give any amount of security like 10 to 15% of the loan amount, then interest rate would be like around 8.5%. Generally, it starts from 8, but it's like generally I was telling an average rate, so it would be around
Okay,
8.
okay. I get it. And second part is because to process our things and others matter, we have already a current account has been opened in HDFC. Will it be suitable bank or we have to think it up?
No, sir. Like if you are going for like if you are taking loan from like I can say example for ICICI Bank or Axis Bank, so you need to open a separate account with that particular branch bank only.
No, my question is HDFC will be okay for future, otherwise we have to think of it to go for another bank.
So that is what Sharik is saying. So wherever you take the loan from, you need to open an account there. So for now it is okay. It is okay.
Okay.
For now it is okay, but tomorrow if you get a loan, a loan which is coming from Axis Bank or ICICI Bank, obviously they would want to promote their own accounts.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Mr. Majumdar. Any contacts in Kolkata?
So we do. So in fact, our co-founder.
No, just I have seen in the chat somebody has given the number and two contacts in Kolkata. Is it from your number or something else?
No, sir, not our number.
No, sir.
हाँ,
Like
I mean, so
Somebody has given the CGFT say contact me there. I've
sir,
just
I mean,
seen.
we don't take, I mean, guarantee for anybody else putting in any message. I mean, so
Okay,
our
okay.
official numbers are in front of you. I mean, we'll request you to stick to this number, sir, because yeah, that will be the safest option for everybody.
Okay, okay. If possible, I will come to you also in your office. Okay, with my
Please,
all
we'll be more
details.
than happy to host you. Please come over, Manoj. Please come over.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Mr. Majumdar.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Next, Yash.
Yeah, so next is, I believe, Mr. Bari, BRI.
Bariji, please tell us.
You are on mute.
Yash, can you unmute Bariji? Ji. Bariji, if you can hear us. बारिजी आपको सुनाई दे रहा है क्या?
I believe he's facing problem with the audio. You can drop your question in the chat.
हाँ. Bariji, please request you to, I mean, so हाँ जी. Not a problem. Don't worry. You can, I mean, type the message. We'll wait for the message. आप type कर दीजिए. Done.
In the meantime, we can take next.
Yes, and then we come
Next
back to
is
Bariji.
Mr. Akash Kanhere, I believe. Sorry if I
ठीक है,
pronounced it.
Akash ji, please.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please tell us.
Am I audible?
You are audible, sir.
Yeah. So my question is, I want to set a plant of recycled tire. I want to produce oil from it. Okay. So it basically is called as pyrolysis oil.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm located in Pune currently and planning to set up that manufacturing unit in Pune itself. So it's required around capital of 3 CR for a 20-ton capacity of per day. And
for a capacity of
20 metric ton per day.
Okay.
So the main part is it the funding is possible in CGTMS scheme or CGSS scheme? That I want to know. Or is there any special scheme for recycle industry?
Sharik?
Hi, sir. So, sir, your case would be goes under project financing only. So, if you don't mind, can I catch you later on after this call? So, for detailed discussion, I need to I need some details to determine the scheme or funding options for you.
Yeah, okay, fine. I will drop the message to that
Yes,
the respective number. We'll connect.
Please.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much. So Bariji, is your question ready? I mean, so I don't see a message out here. Okay, we'll wait for your this thing. Not a problem.
Next is Sheetal Lakhani.
Right. Sheetal ji, please.
Hello.
Sheetal ji, please.
Yes. Am I audible, sir?
Absolutely audible, sir. Thank you. Please tell us.
Sir, I am Sheetal Lakhani from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. And we've started a new startup in my wife's name. It's a private limited company. And we are into the business of supplying fruits and vegetables to the HoReCa vertical, which is hotels, restaurants, and catering.
Okay.
It's been almost a year now when we incorporated a company last April. And this year we filed for the ITR and everything. Audit report is going on. So provisional balance sheet, everything should be ready by end of the day today.
Okay.
And it's basically a credit-based business. So as of now, we have a turnover of around, with the present sales per month is 2.5 CR per annum.
Got it.
So that's 20 lakhs per month approximately.
Got
it. We've got some decent experience in this business, but with a different product. Like we used to do grocery in my previous company, where we used to serve around 400 clients, hotels, restaurants, and caterers.
Ji.
So we've got clients like Sodexo and Compass. Sodexo is basically a French company. Compass is a UK-based company. These are number one and number two company into the facility management services.
Right.
So we would like to expand more and more in the same vertical in the new business.
Got it.
So we are looking for the CGTMS funding.
ठीक है, Sharik will get in touch with you. Separately, you just drop in a message to us on either the support WhatsApp number or the email ID. Just give a little brief on what exactly are you looking at, what exactly do you have. If you want to share a deck, you want to share the financials, आप जो भी देना चाहते हैं, or maybe the first time just say that you want to discuss this point, and when Sharik gets in touch with you or the relevant team gets in touch with you, that is the time when you can share more. Your papers, your documents and everything, and we can take a better call on that.
Will do. Simple question right now, is that
Please.
any trading business, is it eligible for CGTMS?
Yes, it is.
Okay, wonderful. And
Sorry,
does
I
it
didn't
have a
wait for
ratio
Sharik to
of the...
answer. Just one second. Sharik, please, you need to answer. You
No,
should be
sir.
answering this.
Which type of business, sir, it is?
Sir, it's
Trading.
a trading business. We supply
Yeah,
fruits and vegetables.
100% eligible, sir.
It is eligible. Okay. And does it have a percentage? The amount of the loan
Yes.
depends on the percentage of the sales of the previous year?
Yes, sir. Sir, it depends. Like not on the previous year. Like it works on your projected basis only. Like if they see your last 12 month sales and they forecast it, like put some projections over your past 12 months sales, and they, like, for example, if you have done 100 rupees sales in your last 12 months, and they like put projections like in the increasing manner, like 15 to 20%.
Okay, yes. Understood.
It will be
Understood,
like
Sharik ji.
120, and
Understood.
they put a like formula like 25 to
Understood.
20% of the sales.
Understood. Understood, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, Sheetal ji, looking forward to your message, please.
Will do, sir. Thank you. Pleasure.
Thank you. Pleasure. Next, Yash. Acha, 1 minute. We've got this thing. Bhariji has put in a message. I'm looking on. Sorry, just take 30 seconds to read this. Okay. Sharik, I think the IB team will have to get in touch with him.
Yeah, right, sir.
Bariji, any time when we can get in touch with you, आप please इसमें message कीजिए ना. So that number which is given to, it's reflecting on the screen right now. Don't put your number on the chat. I'm requesting everybody, do not put your number on the chat out here. Please, you see that screen number, call us. आप उस वाले में please आप भेज दीजिए, right? And so we will definitely to look into this one. Got it.
Yes.
Yash, who's next?
So next is Jayant Goyal.
Yeah, hi. Am I
Jayant ji?
audible?
Yeah, Jayant ji, you're audible. Please tell us.
Yeah, so I am a practicing chartered accountant from Shivpuri, Madhya Pradesh. So I
Right.
recently started my practice into this project finance and loan support to client. So there are
Got
so
it.
many things where I stuck or I seek some guidance or experience. So is
Please.
there anything we can work on it with you guys?
Absolutely. Anytime. We love collaboration. We are working pan India because of collaboration only.
Okay. So who is the correct person to connect with?
In this specific case, I will be the correct person. Somebody from my team will be connecting with you, Jayant ji. And
Okay.
and if it is required, I will also join that meeting. Or the team can handle. उसमें fight नहीं है. And we would love to take this collaboration ahead. That's for sure.
Okay. Okay.
Anything specific or anything else that you would know, let us know, or you want us to know or something?
No, we can discuss on a separate call. Just
Fair.
let me know the contact numbers.
So the contact number, Jayanji, you see in front of you, this
Yes, yes. Date.
7428100654. Just put in your
Yes,
name
got it.
and say that I
Okay.
want to look at a collaboration with Deal Plexus. I'm a chartered accountant.
Okay.
That is good enough for us to know that what is the next step.
Okay. Okay. Understood.
Ji.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jayanji. Thank you. Yash?
Yeah, so there's no one raising their hands for now, but we have some questions in the chat box.
Please. So, are they visible to you? Chat box वाले कौन से हैं आपके पास में?
Yeah,
What is
hold
the
on, I'm reading out one or two.
Yeah.
So there is one question Mr. Ojas has asked, what are the annual fees to be paid for both schemes?
Sharik?
Yes, sir. What is the annual fee?
What is the annual fees to be paid for both schemes?
So annual fees is around 1% only for both the scheme.
And one is question from Delegate Motors. They're asking, what about the CIBIL score for both? I believe the minimal.
So minimum civil score required is 650.
I mean, I would like to add something. I mean, so while Sharik says it is 650 and he's got cases done at 650, but what is comfortable is basically 720 and above. I mean, so let this be a blunt thing for everyone. 700 के ऊपर भी देख लेंगे, 720 के ऊपर is the sweet spot. 650 में शारिक ने करवा दिया है. That is his capability. But generally होता नहीं है. So you should be looking at somewhere around 720 and above for your score, for your cases to go through. बट अगर कुछ नीचे भी है 650 जैसे शारिक ने बोला, यू कैन हैव अ डिस्कशन विद शारिक टू चेक आउट फॉर योर केस आल्सो.
Someone has asked, like, is there any service charge with us? Do we charge something?
Do we मतलब?
Like, if we do the case, do we charge
Acha,
money?
right. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, so this ranges, from 2.5% to 3%, depending on what kind of work needs to be done. So it is absolutely black and white. There is no gray areas out here. अगर कम काम है, so it is 2.5. अगर ज़्यादा काम है, so it is this thing 3. And अगर by chance, I mean, so if the case is, sorry, somebody saying something.
No, please carry on.
Yeah. So in case, the sum is very high, so on the higher side, then we may also relook at whatever you just mentioned.
Okay. So there is next question from Mr. Shiranshu S. Chaudhary. He said, I'm planning for mushroom production plant with compost unit. My project will be of 200 MDA and cost will be around 2.5 CR. I am from Alwar, Rajasthan. I haven't filed ITR yet. It also comes under Agriculture Infrastructure Fund government scheme.
Sharik, would you like to take this one?
So, sir, if we can get his number, so can I call him separately to discuss it further? Like I need some information.
Sounds good. Yash, can you reply him back, buddy?
To
I
figure
believe
out
he's
some
not in the
technical
meeting right now. We will connect him back.
Done. Fair enough.
There is one question. Let me see if it's available. Okay. Mr. Suresh from chat has asked. He's from Chennai and want to ask one question. Mr. Suresh, are you there with us?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
You're audible, sir. You're audible. Please tell us.
Yes, sir. I'm waiting for a long time. Okay.
Yeah,
So
I know. I am really sorry. We can see everybody waiting. Yes. Please tell us.
It's okay. I want to know two things. One, first thing, the Startup India seed scheme eligibility is below 2 years for the company. Is it correct?
Sir, you're not audible. Can I request you to be a little louder?
My first question is, Startup India seed scheme is applicable for eligibility is below 2 years old companies only. Is it correct?
Startup India
Yeah,
scheme.
sir, it is correct.
About 2 years not eligible.
So Startup India seed fund scheme he is talking about. So yeah, you are correct, sir. It is eligible up to 2 years only.
Only, na? So some
Yeah,
agencies are saying that about 2 years also we can get like that. That's why I wanted to confirm. And the second question is the CGT MSc loan or Mudra loan. What is the timeline to get this loan?
So, sir, can you please repeat the question? I didn't get.
Asking about the timeline from approval to disbursements.
Okay. So, like you can expect 20 working days, 15 to 20 working days.
Okay. Shall I contact you at this number
Sure, sir,
7458
sure.
regarding this?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Definitely.
Sir, you can
I'm putting in
also.
your chat box. You can put your number there as well.
Okay, I'll put my number. Please call me for the discussion.
I have texted you.
So not on the chat box. Please do not put your number on the chat box. I mean,
So I
Yash
have
would have
personally
texted.
texted him on the group,
Yeah,
on the
yeah,
Zoom.
yeah. Perfect, perfect.
Okay.
Okay. There is one gentleman, Mr. Ayushman. Can a startup initially incorporated establish a manufacturing unit and get benefited under CGTMSE?
Yeah, if it is generating revenue, they can get benefit under CGTMSE.
Okay.
Yeah, Yash, next, please.
Okay, there's so much chat. I have to find a question.
Okay, right.
Okay, Mr. Uday Kumar has asked, does CGSS verify the civil credentials out of the 3 director? 2 director have good civil and 3 has civil issue. And the third has civil issue. What is your success fee charges upfront and final?
Are you there? I mean, what is his name? Yash?
Uthaya Kumar. Oh, no, he is not in the meeting right now.
He's not in the meeting. उनको message कर दीजिए. I mean, so yeah, we've provided solution to such cases, so we'll speak to him.
Okay, I'm noting it down.
Yeah. Tariq, this is
Yes, sir.
your solution
I
which
can
had
take
worked for 3 companies. Yeah.
it. Yes, sir.
Okay, I believe there are no more questions.
Okay.
The rest of the people are asking to connect them back.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good. So all those who are present right now, I mean, who have joined us, I mean, today, taken out time on a weekend and been with us for so long. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your patience. And we really hope that it could be of some use and been useful for you. You could have learned something. And because we have definitely learned from every question that we answered, I think we ourselves got a little more clarity. And we would love to associate and collaborate with anybody who's willing to take a chance and looking forward to explore with us. Thank you so much. And thank you, Yash. Thank you, Sharik. Thank you, Devanshi, for participating and making this such a wonderful session.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone, for joining today.
Thank